Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Binance Authenticator. All right, so first up, make sure that you have at least a Google Authenticator or any other authenticators installed already. Now, in your Binance account, just go to the top left, tap on 3 horizontal lines. Now tap on your profile. Now in here, we have security. Okay, all you got to do is just tap on it and just go ahead and tap on Authenticator app. Okay. So tap on it and it says here, get verification codes from an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Binance Authenticator. You can go ahead and download the Binance Authenticator app as well if you want to. Okay. It works even if your phone is offline. So let's just go ahead and tap on enable right here. Now it needs us to copy or scan this code from the phone that you would like to use. Okay. For example, this is your phone right here and you wanted to set up the Authenticator app on this phone as well. So you're going to want to copy, okay, this code. Now go ahead and open up your authenticator of choice. Okay, mine is Google Authenticator. Now in this section, you won't be able to see it. Okay, so at the bottom right, we have the plus sign. So what we got to do is just tap on it and just tap on the option, enter a setup key. Okay, and at the top, it will ask you your key. So tap on your key and just paste the copied key from Binance and give it a name like Binance or Binance2 if this is your second account. Tap on add, tap away, and then you will be able to see the code at the very bottom. Okay, it will be named Binance2 or whatever you named it. So just copy it by just tapping on the code. Okay, now go ahead and go back to Binance right here, tap on next, and just paste the code that was given by your authenticator and just tap on submit. Okay. And as you can see here, mine is already added today, February 1. All right. And there you have it. You can go ahead and delete this one if you want to right here. As you can see here, we now have the check mark. And that is how you set up your Binance Authenticator. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.